My throat was sore, but standard cough drops have artificial flavors and corn syrup. So I thought, how hard can it actually be to make them from scratch? And it was actually really easy. We just need some honey, some ginger, and some lemon. You add all the ingredients to the pot. One hack that saves me so much time when it comes to cooking is to grate and freeze my ginger so it's ready to use. Then you bring it to a boil and it's gonna start bubbling up like this. I didn't have a thermometer, so I just winked it, and then you just add it to your silicone tray. I was a little impatient, so I put it in the fridge and then the freezer so it cools down, and it was actually really good. You can also add this to a cup of hot water for the perfect ginger tea.